morning, Blind Sniper here. Man, what a hot day. My shirt is soaking wet already. I got out here early in the morning because I wanted to do a test for light on that new scope I got. And the Bipod 6x24x50. And that's good. I got up right there at daybreak. Excuse me. Sun was just coming up and I went ahead and throwed it on the target. And it was clear, no problem at all, crystal clear. Matter of fact, after the sun rose, it gave me a little problem because of glare. It comes with a shade, but I don't like using a shade. That's just me. That's a personal thing with me. I just don't like it. No reason why. I don't know. It just never took to me. But as soon as the sun got up a little higher, I was good. But at daybreak, low sun or no light at all, really. Just the sky lit up, no sun up, perfect light on that scope. Just thought I'd pass that on. Now, done another test today. I'm out here again with the same gun, which is my Savage 93 model 22 Magnum. All right, remember yesterday, I run a test and put weights in it and all that stuff. Done everything I know to do to it. And I showed what I got with it. And I wasn't happy with it. I said I was going to do some more experimenting. Well, when I ended the video, I had my bag out there with me. So I said, well, let me shoot a couple times off my bag. So I put a Hornet in the bag. Took 3 shots side by side. I put CCI in it. Shot off the bag side by side. 3 of them. Those are 3-shot groups. So today I'm shooting 3-shot groups, which a lot of people tell me that's the best thing to do with magnums, but I don't know. I've always been a 5-group person, but I shot off 3 today. And it does tell a story here. Okay, right here, this is a Hornady on the bipod. I got a .6, just shooting it. That's the group. And I remember I aimed bullseye. I'm just trying to get groups, but I aimed at the bullseye for reference. All right, I aimed at the bullseye on the bipod, but I put my hand on. No, I didn't put my hand on. I'm sorry. This is the second one I've done with the bipod and just shooting. One hit bullseye and the other 2 down here, which come out to be a 0.5. No, 1.5, excuse me. So I got a 0.6 and 1.5. So it might be I pulled this one and got lucky and hit bullseye. I don't know. I'd say I pulled it because none of them has been hitting bullseye. So I pulled it and hit bullseye by luck. Now over here is the CCI, shooting it off a bipod, 0.6, aiming center, shot low, but look at her side by side. But it's a bipod, not the bag. Here's bipod, not the bag. Still 1, 2, 3, not side by side. But this one here was a 0.6. This is a 0.8. That's off the bipod. Both of them aiming center, none of them hitting bullseye. Then I came down here to Fiocchi. I shot 2 in the same hole and 1 here. 2 in the same hole, 1 here. And I got a 0.8. Now, this is when I decided I'm gonna start holding down on the bipod to see if it makes a difference. So this is Fiocchi again. But I was holding down on the bipod. In other words, I had my hand resting on top of the scope, just lightly pushing down on it. Not hard, but just lightly. I got a 0.6, so I went from a 0.8 to a 0.6 doing that. There's the 3 holes right there. Then I done the Spear Gold Dot 40 grain, just the bipod. Then I come over here. I ain't even done my numbers on them. I'll do my numbers here in a second. And here it is where I done just the bipod. I put my hand down on it. I was holding down on it, and I got 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then I come down here to Magnum bipod, a 1.3. Here's one way over here, and the other 2's right here. I found out that this, even though I see it on the phone, sometimes when I show the video, I don't see it. So I'm trying to move the camera around a little bit. 1.5 holding down on the bipod. So I done better not holding the bipod with the Magnum 40 JHP. Come back, I said, okay, let's do it, the bag. So I done Hornady bag, 0.6. I had a 0.6 with the bipod, holding the bag, I still got a 0.6. But two of them are almost kissing each other. Well, up here they weren't. Then I come over here, I was holding the bag. No, that's just a bag, I'm sorry. That's just the bag. It come out the same as with the bipod, 0.6. But I had two of them kissing, where up here it didn't. Over here, I was holding down on the scope on the bag, and I got a 1.0. Where up here, holding on the bipod, I got a 1.5. That's nothing to brag about. There's nothing there to give you any data saying, hey, this way is better, that way is better. But now check this one out. CCI, 0.6 on the bipod. With just the bag, I got a 0.5, two almost exact same hole. Almost, it's just a little slide off. They're overlapping. But I got a 0.5 on it. Better than what I got up here. CCI bipod, just 0.8. Held down on it, I got a 0.3. Now that's something to brag about, and that's what I got yesterday. But I wasn't holding down on it yesterday, I just shot off the bag, but I had a 0.3 or 0.4. No, I had a 0.4, 0.5. So today when I held down on it, I got a 0.3. Now, right here is Fiocchi. This is the bag, just the bag, I got a 1.1. Where up here, I had a 0.8 with just the bipod. Down here, I got a 0.7 holding down on the bag with Fiocchi. And up here, I got a 0.6. So that's, Fiocchi hadn't really shot good in that rifle. So that's what I'm kind of dismissing it, but that still shows that it does make a difference from a bag if you hold and don't hold. But the bipod holding down, I got a better score. So far, this is the best CCI. Down here on the spear, I got a 0.7. I really couldn't get a good measurement like I wanted to, because these two side by side, I aimed at this target by mistake and hit here. So I really don't know what the third one would have been, but I had to go with the two I got, which is a 0.7. I don't have no more of this ammo to do another shot. So I had to do a 0.7. Right here on the bipod, hold on, let's see what that's gonna turn out to be on that one there. I told y'all I was gonna get it in a minute anyway, so I might as well get it now. Let me see, it's zeroed out. So it's a 0.9, and I got a 0.7 with the bag. Okay, that's a 0.9. Up here, I got a point. Let's see what these two here are. Same thing, 0.8. That's a 0.8 with the bipod holding it down. And I got a 0.6 with the bag holding it down. So it made a little bit of difference with the gold spear, but nothing that major. Then when we get down here to the maxi mag, I got a 0.6, excuse me, 0.3 with the bipod. With just the bag, I got a 1.1. With the bipod holding down, I got a 1.5. And with the bag holding down, I got a 0.7. So that was a big significant difference in that one. But that's the Maxi Mag JHP. Now, right now, from yesterday and today, the CCI Hornady 30 grain 22 is the best, no matter how you shoot it. Whether you shoot it with a bipod or you shoot it off of a bag, whether you hold it down or whether you don't hold it down. For that gun right now, I hadn't got my other, I want to get me some more game shot. Short game, excuse me, short game, that's the name of it, CCI short game. And run that through the test too, against the CCI. But right now, I'm telling everybody, CCI, and you can see it yourself, is the best no matter which way you look at it, because it's 6, 1.5, 6, and 8. If you hold it 0.3, if you hold it, you still ain't getting above a 0.3. I mean, below a 0.6. Here, 0.8, 0.6 bipod. I forgot what I told y'all these. I think one of them was a 0.8. I can't remember what it was. I think the other one was a 0.9, 0.8. So basically the same with it here across the top on them two. But if you look down here, 1.1, 0.7, 0.7, 0.6, that's with the bag and that's holding it. 0.6 with the bag holding it. I got a 0.6 with the bag holding it. So this is just as good as this. This is better than this. 0.5 if you don't hold it on the bag, and 0.3 if you do. But either way you look at it, bipod or bag, the cyanosis is, it don't matter. CCI is the best out of all of them. Out of all these that I tried right here, which is more than what I tried yesterday. Now, next week, it'll be next week probably before I can get uptown. Yeah, I won't make it today. Even though it's Saturday, I got some things I got to do. But right now, CCI is the number one. Okay? Taking this with me. I'm taking this with me. Whoops, almost tore it in two. Take this with me. Trying to do all that with one hand too. Let's see here. Can I pull that loose? Take this with me. Definitely want this one here because I got another Maxi Mag I want to try out. I'm going to compare it to this Maxi Mag, so I'm going to keep this one. So I'm not going to leave them out here for them to get possibly rained on. But Blind Sniper is hot. He's ready for a good cold shower. My whole shirt is soaking wet. The humidity is unbearable today. Oh, and for my good friend on the internet, me and him been doing some talking back and forth. One of his names is Laughing Dog and Doesn't Boom. Check out his channels, please. He turned me on to this thing here. I went ahead and bought me one. He said it's a killer fun thing to have, so I finally invested in one for me. Problem is, none of my rifles is bullseyed. You know, zero for bullseye, so I'm gonna have to do whatever gun I want to use to shoot this with. I got to actually zero it for bullseye so I can hit that thing. So that's one thing that dawned on me last night after I had put it together. I said, well, I still ain't gonna hit it because if I aim bullseye, it's still gonna go to the side or to the bottom, wherever I got my grouping at. So, boom, Laughing Dog, whatever name you want to go by. My man, I appreciate it. I think it's gonna be a good investment. It didn't take long to put together. I'm gonna give it a shot, see how good it is. I see a lot of other people use them on the net, so they must be pretty fun. I've always thought about it. I told him, my phone knocked the camera off just then. I'll have to piece this one together. But he's the one that turned me on to it. He told me when he was shooting it, when I tell him about it, that was kind of fun. So I've seen a lot of people on the internet use them, and they seem to be enjoying them. So I'm gonna try it. I ain't gonna guarantee I'm good at it, but we'll try it and see. I wanna know what my limit is. All right, so right now, Lord, bless these people on the internet, bless everybody around. This is Blind Sniper. There's my gun again. I got the same scope on it. I told you I probably won't take it off, but I don't think I will. I think I'm gonna leave it on here. I like the light situation on it. I had it at full max. There's no darkness in the eye. As long as you got your eye set just right back here on the back, you ain't gonna have no problem. Put your cheek down here and look, you ain't gonna have no problem. No darkness in the eye box at all whatsoever. If you're too close, yeah, and if you're too far back, of course you will. But if you hold it right, you're not gonna have it. None. And you don't have to fight it. It just comes natural. Good scope. Worth the money too. Victor. That's just me recommending it. It's up to you. I'm not trying to get you to buy it. I'm not trying to get you to sell none of it. I'm not trying to sell you mine or keep mine. I'm just telling you that this is a blessed good scope and you're missing out not having one. That's all I can tell you. Ammo today is Hornady poly tip, CCI poly tip, Maxi Mag right there, jacketed hollow point. There was the Fiocchi right there, and here's the gold dot that I'm out of, and that was the Spear gold dot right there. That's the ammo I used for the day. I like this new writing it down ahead of time, card for each ammo, makes it a whole lot easier. I miss my splatter targets, but you can't write on them. I mean, it's hard to, because they're mostly black, and that's all I got is a black marker. And but this is Blind Sniper. Wishing you a great Saturday. Please like and subscribe. Please share. be a good patriot, please join the channel. Get me up there so I can get out on this internet a little bit. Because right now, nobody's giving me thumbs up or nothing. I just get a few of them. I think the most thumbs up I've got on any video I've made is a 3 or 5. Makes me wonder if you really like it or not. But if you don't, it don't really matter, I guess, because I'm enjoying myself. And it gives me something to do. But this is Blind Sniper. Have a great day. God bless you. God love you, and I love you. Take care.